Hey guys, Chris here, and in the past 24 hours, Ethereum has reached a new all-time highs. In the past 24 hours, it's gained almost 1%. I know it may not seem like much, but in the past 7 days, it's gained almost 12% in value. And Ethereum is almost reaching $3,000 for the first time ever, and in my opinion, it could surely pass that. In this video, I basically want to update you guys on what exactly has been going on with Ethereum and what has this price surging and why I believe it could continue to go up and even past $3,000, $4,000, and even past $5,000 long term. As always, I was trying to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can to make sure you guys are always up to date. If this is something you like and do enjoy, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It does help me out. So without further ado, guys, let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum right now is the second largest cryptocurrency out there on the market, obviously behind Bitcoin and right in front of Binance Coin, XRP, and Tether. Okay, now Ethereum has increased its market cap to around $316.4 billion. As you can see, it's up almost 0.87% just today. Ethereum right now has a price of $2,735.89. You can see that they have a market dominance of 16.56%. Now, this is very interesting that I really want to point out to. The market dominance has been increasing in the crypto realm, okay? Now, Bitcoin obviously has the biggest market dominance with 52.30% of all cryptocurrencies. But this market dominance has slowly started to decrease because Ethereum has been increasing in value. They have a 24-hour volume of $11.51 billion. Now, Ethereum has had a very fluctual day today. They had a 24-hour low of $2,677 and reached a new all-time high, guys, of 2,828 cents, guys. That has been a very huge increase in the past year, okay? Year-to-date returns is 270%. But year-to-year, guys, let me put up the year-to-year chart, guys, because it is very incredible to see. Year-to-year, they were trading for 214.73 cents just a year ago, okay? You can see the huge incline in price and just the huge increase in momentum, all right? And just in the past week, you can kind of see how they had a low of $2,158 and the type of attention and momentum is actually picked up ever since then. No wonder Ethereum has been picking up more momentum than Bitcoin today. Now, obviously, when it comes to cryptos, the first two tokens you actually think about is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, Bitcoin's price is way above what Ethereum's price is right now. So a lot of investors do shy away from Bitcoin because of the type of price it actually has to have a full Bitcoin coin, right? But Ethereum, in a way, is a little bit cheaper and has less of a market cap compared to what Bitcoin has. Bitcoin almost has $1 trillion market cap evaluation, okay? Now, in my opinion, I do believe Ethereum could really start to compete heavily against Bitcoin because their Ether system is way faster and when it comes to transactions is way better than Bitcoin's. Okay, now in my opinion, I always believe that Bitcoin does have a lot of hype and attention because they are the first crypto to actually do what they're actually doing right now. But there's obviously some doubts when it comes to many different investors. For example, one of the biggest investors out there is Kevin O'Leary, right? He believes that Ethereum will always be number 2 to Bitcoin. He believes that Ethereum is like holding on to silver while Bitcoin is gold, okay? Now, he's not saying it's a bad thing because obviously at the end of the day, they're both going to be profitable, but just Ethereum is always going to be second fiddle or the little brother to Bitcoin. Okay, I do believe at one single point, Ethereum will start to eat up that market dominance and start to rise in value. You can see right now they are rising up in value and there are a lot of people, heavily credible investors and a group of people that believe Ethereum is way better than Bitcoin. For example, JP Morgan explains why Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. JP Morgan has stated that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin due to improvements in liquidity and a higher turnover in the public Ethereum blockchain. Okay, and that's something that is very powerful when it comes to the crypto side. Okay, now one huge reason to why Ethereum has been picking up a lot of momentum in this past week is because there has been a new development. European Investment Bank issues $121 million in digital notes using Ethereum. Okay, and that, guys, if you guys didn't jump out your seats or your jaw didn't drop, that is a pretty big investment. Okay, EIB is the lending arm of the European Union, used Ethereum technology to issue 100 million euros or $121 million USD in the 2-year digital notes for the first time. That is incredible, okay? That is something to be happy about, because now there are more and more believers using Ethereum. A lot of people actually believe Ether has a way faster transaction speed than Bitcoin. The number of banks joining the club for state-backed blockchain bond issuance has been expanding. So if that expansion actually goes into the favor of Ethereum, guess what's going to happen to the price of Ethereum, guys? It's going to go up even higher, right? And that's something we always want. Now, there's always a couple concerns whether or not is there going to be some sort of a sell-off and actually dip down for Ethereum, right? We all know what happened to Bitcoin, that it went up to $19,000 at one point, and at that point it was its all-time highs. And then it completely crashed to around $3,000 within a couple months, right? So people are worried if they buy into Ethereum right now, is there going to be a crash, right? And I just want to read this little quick side note that I kind of found in this article that I did find interesting, and I just want to read it to you guys, all right? It says, the amount of Ethereum sitting on exchanges continues to drop lower and has been the lowest in the past year, Kim said. With less supply on exchange available, there's less likely a chance of a major sell-off, okay? So that does bring you guys some sigh of relief, because if this is true, Ethereum won't have a huge sell-off. And more investors are heavily investing into more cryptocurrencies, because obviously retail investors like to have better returns. Nobody is satisfied with 7 to 10% returns year over year. They'd rather have 270, 250% returns, every year, right? And that's something that cryptocurrencies can actually give you. But at the same time, it could give you 270% within a couple of months. It could go down, quite a bit in a really fast pace, right? But I don't see Ethereum having a huge sell-off anytime soon. Even if there is some sort of correction in the whole crypto sphere, I just still don't see it. Ethereum offers an alternative. With the widespread usage of Ethereum's network following its latest upgrade, the crypto asset continues to offer a lot of opportunities to developers and investors, right? This is basically just saying that Ethereum just has way more options to offer than Bitcoin. That's something that a lot of investors are starting to believe in, all right? Now I'm gonna give you guys my price prediction for Ethereum. I do believe that Ethereum will surely hit $3,000, no questions asked, okay? But what's the price long term for Ethereum? What's my prediction for Ethereum long term, right? If you guys saw the thumbnail, you already know. I do see Ethereum probably reaching $10,000 easily, okay? It's not going to be a 2-day thing or a 2-month thing, right? It's going to take some time. But I do see the attention that a lot of huge banks, a lot of huge firms that are very interested into Ethereum, and not just Bitcoin, right? Not Bitcoin, they're thinking about Ethereum and how fast of the transactions that Ethereum has compared to Bitcoin, right? So I do believe that Ethereum will one day have an equal market cap dominance when it comes to the crypto world with Bitcoin, okay? And when it comes to Ethereum being that little brother, sometimes the little brother gets bigger and stronger than the older brother, right? So that's basically my opinion on Ethereum, and I hope you guys did enjoy the video to give you guys the most updated information that I possibly can, especially with that huge investment bank investing $121 million into Ethereum. All right, guys, so hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. That'll help me out. And if anybody's interested into investing into cryptos, I'm gonna put my Coinbase link down below. And if anybody's interested into getting into the stock market, I'm gonna put my Robinhood and my webull link down below. It's free stock, guys. You cannot miss. All right, guys, so thank y'all for watching. Have a great day, good morning, or good night. Salutes to you all. Peace out. Bye.